Hi everyone, I'm Kirat and PTEC has been a great experience since day one, and I really believe that all the students have come a long way. To really show this, I was able to program the Spy Circle website that you might have seen using all the necessary skills that I was able to pick up throughout my grade 10 year. Things such as learning the basics of web development, which include of the languages HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and some alternative methods for optimizing the way you code, such as using Sass in combination with CSS. Putting all these skills together, I was able to build multiple websites, and naturally, as you practice more, you get even better.
These are pictures of the grade 10s disassembling computers. We were able to fully take apart and rebuild the computers. This was a great hands-on learning experience and helped us understand the content we learned.
In our networking and cybersecurity classes, we use Packet Tracer to practice the skills we learn. We are able to try building our own networks by setting up routers and switches with IP information, figure out how VPNs work, and play around with encryption and hashing. I really like this program because it allows us to try out things that we would get to do in a networking and cybersecurity job.
What this game does is that when you launch a ball, it explodes. Then you can rebuild the things you destroyed by reversing time.
Hi, my name is Josh. I made this game using the Unity game engine. The goal of this project was to incorporate a parallax effect along with an intro screen into a game.
Hey, I am Leanna, and I'm the one that made this cathedral. It's actually based on a real building, and I made it for software development. I made it in a program called Blender, which is a 3D modeling program, and I hope you enjoy my lovely cathedral.